Okay, so a couple of plugins that you're really going to want to utilize are two plugins that come with the Divi theme. They're called Bloom and Monarch. Bloom allows you to create opt-in boxes to put on your website and connect those boxes to your email service provider, which we just talked about in the last video. So if you download the Bloom plugin from Elegant Themes, it's part of the Divi theme. If you purchase Divi, then you'll have Bloom. You want to have that plugin or another plugin like it, something that will help you make pretty nice looking opt-in boxes without too much stress in design. So if you're not going to use Bloom, then find another one that works well, and you may decide to look for one that works in particular with the email service provider that you chose. So what happens is you'll create the box with the plugin. You'll connect the plugin to your email service provider and the list within that provider that you want to send emails to, and they talk to each other, and when someone comes to your website, fills in the form, hits the button, they get put into the email service provider. So that's how the plugin works for Bloom. You'll also want to get something like the Elegant Themes plugin called Monarch. I think Monarch's great. It also comes with the Divi theme. It's a part of the Elegant Themes products, and it's called Monarch, and it's a social sharing and follow me plugin. So what you'll do, if you remember in a previous video, we pulled all of our links for our social media and we got them all ready. So we're going to take those links and put them into the Monarch plugin. And in Monarch, you can do follow me, so you can have people click the button, and when they click the button, it'll be the social icon, say for Facebook or for Twitter, the little birdie. They're going to click the birdie, and they're going to end up on your Twitter page, and they can follow you. Or you can have share this, which is really great for blog posts. I'm sure you've seen this. You can have the little icons for the social networks end up on an article, and you click share this, and now your visitor clicks that icon, they end up on their social media platform where they can log in and then share your blog, your photo to Pinterest, whatever that is. So the follow me and the share this ability with the Monarch plugin is really great. If you choose not to use Monarch, you want to find another plugin that does something like this, but you're going to need the social connection for your website. So those are third-party plugins that you want to go make sure you have ready, and just put into your worksheet which one you decide. If you've already decided on Bloom and Monarch, then your job is done, and you can put that in your worksheet and move on to the next. So more third-party plugins that we're actually going to do a full training on plugins, because there are so many and they do so much, and that'll be coming at a future time. So make sure you get that in your worksheet, and you are prepared to follow me and share this. Okay, I will see you in the next video.